So. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today we're going to be making a pizza. Specifically, we're going to be making a pizza with Calabrian peppers, capers, black olives, your little moisture mozzarella cheese on a olive oil base. So it's a simple pizza, but it's also very delicious. So before we get started, let's go and take a look at the oven. So we've had our oven preheating now for about 30 minutes. This is the Ooni Koda 16. Right in the center, we're looking about 858, 865. So the oven is perfect. I've cleaned it. It looks good. It's hot. So let's go ahead and get some pizzas made. My dough here, which is just going to be 50% Polish at 70% hydration. You can see the dough balls are looking really good. They're about 270 grams each. So we got three that are 270, and then we got a small one which again you could use for whatever. So let's go ahead and let's get our first dough here, and we'll get started. If you want to see a recipe on how to make this dough, I'll go ahead and post that tab up above, and you can check that out. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this guy right here. And whenever you're getting it, you want to make sure that you're keeping the shape of it. Get that flap there. Let's get this covered. And so let's get this. And this dough is really airy. Get a little bit more. And comment down below what kind of toppings you like on your pizza. We'll get this. And so we'll just get a little bit more here. This dough is really nice. So we'll just get a little bit of there. And so this is about the size that you want. And like I said, it's a simple pizza. You get some olive oil, and we're going to go ahead just drizzle that on the base here. And you could go ahead and just kind of get that all over. All right. Then you want to get your mozzarella down. More pieces. And because it is a light pizza, you do want to make sure that you're getting a lot of the pieces or spots filled. That way we don't have any spots that do lift up. Let's get our black olives, and you just want to sprinkle that on there. So as you can see, it adds a nice color to that. Alright, and then you could do your Calabrian peppers. Again, this will give a little spice, so you don't want to add too much, but again, if you do like spicy pizzas, the more the better. So get this there. Alright, and then the next item that we'll be placing on, there's going to be the capers. Capers are pretty salty, so you don't want to add too much. But you want to add just a couple on there, just for some flavor. So I'm not going to put too much there, because like I said, they are pretty salty. And we'll get our peel. Got some sauce there. And I'm just going to kind of get that on that. And you want to just get your base dough size. All right, and straight onto that oven. And we're just gonna go with one shot. Get that there. Turn the oven down low, and then now we're gonna go ahead and just watch the back left and the back, so give it about 15 to 20 seconds. And like I said, it's a simple pizza, so yeah, definitely comment down below, you know, the type of toppings that you like, or what your favorite pizza is that you've enjoyed this year. And maybe if it's a pizza that I haven't tried, then maybe I could definitely go ahead and make it for next year or so. So I think that looks good. We're gonna go ahead and get this spun around. So let's get that. And so you want to put it back into the same spot. And you can smell that everything coming together. You can smell that dough. The dough smells really, really good. So let's go get this spun here. Bottom's looking nice. Cheese is melting nicely. Like I said, it's a simple pizza, but it's really good. There's just tons of flavor on there. So we'll finish up right here. And let's take a look at that. Give it a couple more seconds on this other side right here. But I think that's like that. Looks good. Cheese is bubbling. So let's go ahead and get this inside. We'll get it on the corner rack and then we'll get a taste test. Here's your pizza. It's now cooled down. As you can see, it did get a little charred on this side and got some big air bubbles here, which is totally fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at that bottom. You can see it definitely did cook pretty good through. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this cut. Because to hear the crunch on that. So let's just go ahead and let's get this guy right here. Like I said, you got Calabrian peppers, capers, and black olives on just a olive oil base, on a white base with some low moisture mozzarella. You can see the crust here, nice and airy. So let's go ahead and get a bite. Oh yeah. So you get a little bit of a sweetness and spiciness from the Calabrian peppers. You definitely get some of the saltiness from, again, the capers and the black olives. So overall, you know, it's a really good, simple pizza. But like I said, it's really delicious. And again, if you're not looking to get any sauce or, you know, red base. So again, comment down below on what type of toppings you like on your pizza. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at @thepizzaguyjohn, and I look forward to talking to you. Bye.